Imagine cutting your video editing time from 8 hours to just 15 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete workflow set up to automate script generation, visual creation, and even rough cut assembly using powerful multimodal AI agents. Stop wasting hours on repetitive tasks. This is how you produce more content with less effort.
The traditional video editing process is a time sink. Before, you'd spend hours scripting, manually finding stock footage, recording voiceovers, and then painstakingly assembling everything in an editor. This could easily take a full workday for a single short video. Now, with AI, that entire process can be condensed into a fraction of the time, allowing you to scale your content production dramatically.
Our goal today is to achieve one concrete outcome: an automated video production pipeline. We'll outline a concept, generate a script, create visuals, and even get a rough video assembly, all driven by AI. We'll break this down into clear, actionable steps.
Step 1. Outline your video concept and key points. This is where you define your video's topic, target audience, and main takeaways. Think of it as your creative brief. A clear outline is crucial because it guides the AI agents in the subsequent steps.
Step 2. Generate your script and visual prompts using an AI agent. For this, we'll leverage LangChain. LangChain is an open-source framework designed for building applications with large language models. It's incredibly versatile for creating custom AI agents that can perform complex, multi-step tasks.
LangChain shines when you need to orchestrate multiple LLM calls and interact with other tools. Its agent creation capabilities allow you to define specific roles and tools for your AI, making it perfect for generating structured content like video scripts and detailed visual descriptions. It also handles complex chain development, letting you connect different AI outputs seamlessly.
To use LangChain for our script, you'd feed it your video outline. The agent would then generate a full script, complete with scene descriptions and dialogue. A pro tip here: explicitly instruct the agent to include visual cues for each scene. This saves a lot of time in the next step. While it requires some setup, the control it offers over the AI's output is unmatched for custom workflows.
Step 3. Create your visuals and voiceover using AI tools. This is where ComfyUI comes into play for generating the visual assets. ComfyUI is a powerful, node-based user interface for stable diffusion. It gives you incredible control over the image and video generation process.
Unlike simpler AI art generators, ComfyUI allows you to build highly customized pipelines. You can chain together different models, apply specific effects, and iterate on your visuals with precision. This is fantastic for ensuring visual consistency across your video. Its node-based workflow means you can visually design how your AI generates images or even short video clips from your prompts.
You take the visual prompts generated by our LangChain agent and feed them into ComfyUI. It can then produce high-quality images or even short video segments. Before, you'd spend hours searching stock libraries or hiring a designer. Now, ComfyUI can create unique visuals in minutes. The catch is its learning curve. It's not as simple as a one-click solution, but the results are worth it for customization.
For the voiceover, various text-to-speech AI tools can convert your script into natural-sounding audio. Combine these AI-generated visuals and voiceovers, and you have all your raw assets ready.
Step 4. Automate video assembly with an AI agent. This is where we bring it all together using agency agents. This framework is specifically designed for building and deploying autonomous AI agents that can perform complex, multi-step tasks.
Agency agents excels at workflow orchestration and autonomous task execution. You can configure an agent to take your script, the generated visuals, and the voiceover, and then assemble them into a rough video cut. It can even perform basic editing tasks like syncing audio and visuals, or adding simple transitions.
The power here is that you're deploying an AI agent to act as a preliminary video editor. It takes the output from LangChain and ComfyUI and puts it into a coherent sequence. This drastically cuts down the initial manual assembly time. Before, this would be a tedious, hour-long drag-and-drop process. Now, the agent handles the first pass, leaving you with a solid foundation for final refinements.
This entire workflow means you can generate a complete video draft in about 15 minutes, compared to the hours or even days it would take manually. The time savings are immense, allowing content creators and marketers to produce videos at an unprecedented pace.
For robust agent development, LangChain is the one to beat, offering unparalleled control. If you need powerful, customizable visual generation, ComfyUI is your go-to. And for easier deployment of those autonomous agents to tie everything together, Agency Agents provides a straightforward solution.
The biggest takeaway is this: you can automate 80% of your video editing in minutes, not hours, with the power of multimodal AI agents. This isn't about replacing human creativity, but augmenting it, freeing you to focus on the strategic and creative aspects of content creation.
This setup is perfect for solopreneurs, marketers, and anyone looking to scale their video content without scaling their workload. It moves beyond simple text generation to actual multimodal output, transforming your entire production pipeline.
Let's dive deeper into setting up LangChain for script generation. First, you'll need to install LangChain and an LLM library like OpenAI or Anthropic. For a beginner, start by defining a simple agent. You'd create a prompt template that explicitly asks for a video script, including sections for scene description and dialogue. Then, you'd chain this with your chosen LLM. For example, your prompt might look like, generate a video script for a video about your topic. Include 5 scenes. For each scene, provide a detailed visual description and the spoken dialogue.
Next, you define a tool for your agent. While LangChain agents can do many things, for script generation, their tool is essentially the LLM itself, guided by your detailed prompt. You'd then invoke your agent with your video concept, and it would return a structured script. To ensure visual cues, explicitly add a format instruction to your prompt like format, Scene 1, visual description, dialogue. Scene 2, visual description, dialogue, dot. This guides the LLM to output exactly what ComfyUI will need.
Now, for ComfyUI. This is where your visual prompts come to life. After installing ComfyUI, you'll open its web interface. The core concept is connecting nodes. Start with a load checkpoint node to select your stable diffusion model. Then, connect its clip output to a clip text encode, positive, and clip text encode, negative, node. These are where you'll paste your visual descriptions from the LangChain script.
Connect the positive and negative text encodes to a ksampler node. This is the heart of the image generation. You'll also need an empty latent image node to define your image dimensions. Connect the sampler output to a VAE decode node, and finally, connect that to a save image node. For each scene's visual description, you'd update the positive prompt and run the workflow. You can even automate this with a simple Python script that iterates through your LangChain output, feeding each prompt into ComfyUI's API.
Finally, let's set up agency agents for video assembly. You define an agent and equip it with tools that interact with video editing libraries like MoviePy or FempEg. Your agent's plan would be 1. Read the script from LangChain. 2. Identify corresponding visuals from ComfyUI and voiceovers. 3. Use a tool to overlay the voiceover onto the visual. 4. Use another tool to concatenate all scenes in sequence. 5. Add simple transitions between scenes using a transition tool.
For a beginner, start by defining a single tool that takes an image path, an audio path, and a duration, and outputs a short video clip. Then, define a second tool that takes a list of video clips and concatenates them. Your agency agent would then call these tools in order for each scene and then for the final assembly. This modular approach allows the agent to break down their complex task of video editing into manageable, automatable steps, giving you a rough cut ready for human polish.
Now you have a clear path to automating your video editing. What part of your workflow will you automate first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools and productivity hacks.